Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Ahyeon from BABYMONSTER, inspired by her look from the Psycho music video, but in our fun cartoon style. Oh, if you're new here, don't forget to follow the channel and leave a like on this video. That really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep making more tutorials for you. So grab your pencil, get comfy, and let's start drawing. Let's begin with Ahyeon's expressive and beautiful eyes, slightly almond-shaped with that iconic triangular eyeliner. And remember, if any part feels difficult, pause the video and take your time. Draw the eyebrows, keeping in mind they will be mostly covered by the bangs later. Now add her small and delicate nose, which will enhance with a soft pink tone. Draw the model-style lips, soft and elegant. Let's go with some fun facts while we draw. Ahyeon is a member of the K-pop group BABYMONSTER, formed by YG Entertainment. She is known for being an all-rounder, excelling in vocals, rap, and performance. She trained for several years before debuting. Shape the rounded face, keeping it smooth and feminine. We won't draw the ears since the hair will cover them completely. Start shaping the long, wavy hair with bangs, forming the head structure. Later, we'll add white highlights and finish the ends. Add more volume to the hair, making it look full and soft. She gained attention during the pre-debut show Last Evaluation. BABYMONSTER officially debuted in 2024. Ahyeon is especially recognized for her powerful voice and stage presence. She often stands out for her confidence and charisma. Draw the layered bangs covering the forehead and eyebrows. Now draw the long and delicate neck, leaving space for the tie. Sketch the slim torso, keeping elegant proportions. Draw the strapless denim top, adding vertical sections that will be colored with different shades of blue. Extend the bottom of the top in a slightly flared bell shape, overlapping the shorts. If you're enjoying this drawing, leave a like and share this video with your friends. And if you want more tutorials like this, check out our BABYMONSTER playlist by clicking the card above. Also, tell me in the comments, which idol should we turn into a cartoon next? YG Entertainment is known for producing global groups like Blackpink. K-pop idols train in multiple disciplines, including singing, dancing, and media skills. Now we'll start adding multiple patches across the top. Add the heart patch near the top area. Draw the emoji-style patch with the tongue out, adding a border to show it's stitched on. BABYMONSTER quickly gained a large international fan base. K-pop music videos are known for their strong visual concepts. Draw the hand horns patch, reinforcing the theme. This really adds personality, right? Outfits like this combine fashion and storytelling. Add the skull and crossbones patch near the lower area. Ahyeon's expressions are often very dynamic and engaging. The group represents a new generation of global K-pop artists. Their performances are known for precision and energy. Many idols learn multiple languages to connect with fans worldwide. Now draw the loose tie, hanging naturally. K-pop blends music, fashion, and performance art, and just like in this drawing, visuals play a huge role in creating a memorable identity. Add more detail to the tie, giving it movement and flow. There we go. Shape the rounded hip area. Let me redo that part. Yeah, that makes more sense now. Draw the denim shorts, fitted and stylish. Draw the lace detail along the hem of the shorts, giving a soft contrast. Add the heart patch on the shorts. Now draw the left leg, long and elegant. Oops, okay, easy fix. Nice. Add the platform boot on the left leg with a bold cartoon silhouette. Draw the right leg, maintaining the same proportions. Add the right boot, matching the left one. Sketch the left arm long and slender, with the hand relaxed beside the thigh. Draw the left hand with a bracelet. And remember, we use 4 fingers to simplify the drawing. Now draw the right arm raised, elbow bent, and forearm almost vertical. Add the right hand near the face, forming the iconic horns gesture, also with a bracelet. There we go. Finally, refine the hair ends, extending them down near the hip line. When coloring, use tones like denim blues, soft skin tones, platinum blonde hair with white highlights, and darker shades for shadows, but feel free to choose your own colors and style. And here's our Ahyeon, cute, iconic, and inspired by her stage style. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.